Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change homepage in Odoo website. This process only takes a few moments and allows you to control which page visitors see first when they open your main website address. To get started, open your Odoo dashboard and click on the website app. This will take you into the website editing and management area, where you can access your site pages and update important settings, like which page is used as the homepage. Make sure you are working on the correct website if your Odoo account manages multiple websites, because each website can have its own homepage and page settings. Once you're inside the website app, the next step is to navigate to the page you want to set as the new homepage. If you already know where that page is, you can simply open it directly. If not, there's an easy way to find it. For example, you may want to use a newly designed landing page, a services page, or a promotional page as your new homepage. Go to the top left corner, click on Site, and then select Pages. This will open your full list of website pages, which is helpful if you have several pages on your site and want to make sure you choose the correct one. You can review the page names and URLs in this area to avoid selecting a draft, duplicate, or outdated page by mistake. From that list, select the page you want to use. As soon as you click it, Odoo will take you to that page. This is a good moment to quickly confirm that you're on the right page before changing any settings, especially if your site has pages with similar names. You may also want to check that the page content, buttons, images, navigation links, and mobile layout are ready before making it the first page your visitors see. After you've opened the correct page, go back to the top left and click Site again. This time, choose Properties. The Properties panel is where you can manage settings for the specific page you're currently viewing, including whether it should be your homepage. Depending on your Odoo version and website configuration, this panel may also contain options related to the page URL, visibility, indexing, and publication status. In the Properties settings, look for the option labeled Is Homepage. Turn that switch on to mark this page as the main homepage of your website. This tells Odoo that when visitors enter your main website address, this is the page they should see first. You do not need to delete the previous homepage, because Odoo will simply assign the homepage role to the newly selected page. Once you've enabled that setting, click Save. That's the final step, and your new homepage will now be active. Saving is important because leaving the Properties panel without saving may cause your changes to be lost. If you want to verify the change, you can open your website's main address in a new tab and check that it loads the page you just selected. For a more accurate test, you can also open the website in a private or incognito browser window. This can help you view the website as a normal visitor and avoid seeing an older, cached version of the page. This is a simple but important update, especially when you're redesigning your site, promoting a new service, or replacing an old landing page. It can also be useful when launching a seasonal campaign, highlighting a limited-time offer, introducing a new product, or directing visitors toward a page designed to generate more leads or sales. Before finishing, check that the new homepage has a clear headline, an easy-to-understand call to action, working navigation links, and a layout that displays correctly on both desktop and mobile devices. Since the homepage often creates the first impression of your business, it should immediately explain what you offer and guide visitors toward the next step. And that's all it takes to change the homepage in Odoo website. Your selected page should now appear whenever someone visits your main website address.